Good evening and welcome to the 1 millionth Academy Awards. We are not your hosts, but we're going to stand here a little too long so that the people who get USA Today tomorrow will think that we hosted.
That's great. That's great. So just a quick update for everybody in case you're confused. There is no host tonight. There won't be a popular movie category, and Mexico is not paying for the wall.
Lady Gaga, Mark Ronson, Anthony Raccomando, and Andrew Wyatt.
To my sister, my soulmate, I love you. My family's here. I love you, Mom and Dad, Bradley. There is not a single person on the planet that could have sang this song with me but you. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you so much.
In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, we're far from the shallow now. What do you report? Make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your cane all over the place, singing we will rock you.
Rami Malek.
This is the first Oscar and...
That kid was, he was struggling with his identity, trying to figure himself out, and I think to anyone struggling with theirs and trying to discover their voice, listen, we made a film about a gay man, an immigrant who lived his life just unapologetically himself. And the fact that I'm celebrating him and this story with you tonight is proof that we're longing for stories like this.
And the Oscar goes to...
Oh, the house! Charlie Wachtell, David Rabinowitz, and Kevin Wilmot has fired me!
It's the first win and 5th nomination for Spike Lee.
She put me through Morehouse College and NYU grad film. NYU. Before the world tonight, I give praise to our ancestors who helped build this country and what is today, along with the genocide of its native people. We all connect with our ancestors. We will have love, wisdom, we will regain our humanity. It will be a powerful moment. The 2020 presidential election is around the corner. Let's all mobilize. Let's all be on the right side of history. Make the moral choice between love versus hate. Let's do the right thing. You know I had to get that in there.
Olivia Colman.
This is the first Oscar and nomination for Olivia Colman.
My mom and my dad. Well, you know, and my kids are at home and watching. Look. Well, if you're not, then well, kind of well done. But I sort of hope you are. This is not going to happen again. And any little girl who's practicing their speech on the telly, you never know. And when I used to work as a cleaner, and I loved that job. I did spend quite a lot of my time imagining this. Oh, please wrap up. Right, okay. And thank you.
Oh, and the Oscar goes to Green Book.
Green Book has 5 Academy Award nominations.
We made this film with love, and we made it with tenderness, and we made it with respect, and it was all done under the direction of Pete Fairley. Pete's been an honor and a privilege. Yeah.
But to those 2 beautiful women as well, who I forgot to say thank you to, We're going to go back to 86 and then down to 43.
What does that mean? It's like bingo.
Straight
Olivia.
back.
Oh.
We're gonna go.
In bed with me. Between me and my husband. He doesn't know yet. He won't mind.